Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the TP-Link 7350 unlocked 5G mobile hotspot or Wi-Fi router. It comes unlocked so you can use any SIM card in it depending on which network gets good coverage in your location, your specific location. For me, I get an okay signal on the free network, because I live in a basement room. So yeah, this arrived yesterday or the day before, I can't really remember now. It came with 53% or 56% battery charge remaining. So the first thing I did was put the SIM card in and recharge the battery. It has a micro USB port, so you just plug one end of the cable supplied into that and the other end into a computer to charge the device up. So yeah, when you get the device, put the SIM card in. It takes the smallest type of SIM card, which is a nano SIM card. So you put the SIM card in, put the battery in, replace the black battery cover, as you can see here on the back of the device, and then hold the power button down and it'll come on. And then it should say at the bottom of the display, it should say the network name. Top left is the signal strength, and then it will say 4G or 3G on the top left as well. And in the top right, you've got the signal strength to the Wi-Fi signal strength and the battery percentage, and in the middle you've got the total amount of data which has been used since the device has been on. So as you can see, since it was last powered down, it's used 23.5 gigabyte, and below that you can see the download and upload speed that's currently taking place through the device. So yeah, I find the battery doesn't last too long on this. You get about 5 to 6 hours, 6.5 hours of battery life from it before you need to plug it in again to charge. And this display on it, it's okay, but I don't understand why it's got all these different things. So you toggle through them by pressing the button on the back in the middle to toggle through all of them: home, device info, power saving, WPS, network mode, data roaming, app download, and then home again. You toggle through them all, and then to go into the menu, you press the power button when you're on the correct screen, and then you change the setting you wish to change. But I can't work out how to change stuff very easily through this, so I recommend using the TP-Link app, which you can find in the App Store, or you can log into the mobile hotspot through your browser using the IP address. And to connect to the mobile hotspot, simply enter the SSID and the password, which is written inside the device under the battery cover, under the battery on a label. So enter these two things into the device you wish to connect and click connect, and it should work. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. Please comment below if you have any questions about the device, or you own the device and have any comments you wish to make about it. And if you would be so kind, please subscribe to my channel and hit like. Thanks for watching. Bye.